What's up, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be cutting my hair for the first time. Due to the C-word pandemic that's happening right now. And we're going to try to do a fade. Now, big shout out to all the barbers on YouTube who have provided tutorials for people like me. Now, I have clippers that I have accumulated over time, but I'm in no way, shape, or form a pro barber, not a barber at all, don't have a license or anything like that. I've made hair tutorial videos that's worked for mixed curly hair, hair styling, but not hair cutting, right? So this is what my hair currently looks like. It's grown in, it's dark on the sides. Okay, look gross, to be honest. So the goal here is to look good afterwards. So what my setup here is, I have the wall detailers, okay? Now, with that in mind, I just wanna let you guys know that with these types of clippers, they're not just like one bladed type of clippers. Like, they have this little thing on the side where pull it goes up and you push it goes down. That plays a factor in cutting your hair, cutting your fade. When you push this down, okay, and the blade goes up, okay, that is considered a half. Then when it goes all the way down and the blades are all uniform together, that is considered a 0. Now, along with the wall detailers, I have different guards that I'll be using. I have a mirror, so I can see the back of my head, a comb, a brush, okay, it's beaten to heck. And I also have the wall peanut to like edge up my hairline and all that kind of stuff, and beard and whatever. Since we're gonna be cutting our hair at home, we don't wanna make a mess, so I have a towel that I'm putting in the sink. So for hair that falls, go in the sink. When I did my Manscaped video, one of my monthly favorites, you can see it up here. They gave this kind of like funny paper here. It's like a newspaper, but really it's meant to catch your hair. Look at that. Yeah, it's meant to catch your hair. So I'm gonna be using that on the floor, so in case any hair gets on the floor. Yeah, so that being said, let's get to cutting the fade. I've never cut my hair before, and I hope I don't mess it up, right? Like, that's my biggest fear. I don't wanna mess my hair up. So, let's go. First, gonna create the guideline. You're gonna make a line in your hair, basically, and the bottom's gonna be like bald, essentially. So with that, I'm going to make this a 0, okay? And I'm going to create a line. The hardest part is gonna be getting the back of the head, so I don't know how I'm about to do that, and I'm gonna start it right about here. Right about there. Right here, I guess. It looks as if these clippers are not very sharp, so I'm gonna try my wall detailers to get a sharper line. This is hard. This is crazy. Trying to go this way? What? I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. Backwards, right? Not bad for a first. Alright, so this is the guideline. I just made the guideline. Dude, the back of the head is so freaking hard. I'm gonna get the balders, and I'm gonna go across this and smooth that out. The wall shavers to go across all the bald areas. Okay, so we have the guideline, and like, don't pick on me if it's a little crooked, but I think I did pretty decent. That's even. comes down a little bit in the back. All right. Now we're gonna start the second guideline amongst the hair. Oh man, this is kind of fun. If you know what you're doing, I don't, but hopefully it doesn't turn out bad. All right, now I'm trying to make the second guideline. Oh, and for the second guideline, I have this open. So these blades are going up. So essentially it's supposed to be like a 1-inch guideline. So you know how I have that dark guideline, I'm supposed to be making another one on top of that one above it. It's a 1 inch. So if I'm doing this right, you should see another dark line underneath this line. The hardest part is going to be the back of my head. Alright, as I was going over the second guideline, I made sure to brush down to make sure, you know, I'm just getting all the areas of the, you don't want to like brush your hair, right? And then you don't want to brush your hair, then the hair is coming down like when you brush it. So I just want to make sure, like that for example, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm trying to go right over this. So far so good. And then also with these kind of blades, you got this little C motion because of the way the blades kind of tilt like that. Alright, so you see I have a line and then a guideline. Boom, boom. Alright, next step. Quickly take a look at the second guideline. To be honest though, if it looks bad, it's my first time. So roast me if you want. I'm trying. Alright, next I'm taking this halfway. So not all the way this way, not all the way that way. Let's say about right there. And I'm gonna go halfway into the new guideline starting down here. Supposed to just lighten my guideline essentially, from my understanding. Alright, next is I'm gonna close this all the way and I'm gonna use the corners of the clipper to try to take out the bottom line. Let's see how that looks. For some reason I don't think these are sharp as they should be or something. Alright, next is making another guideline with the one guard, oh snap, with the one guard on it opened. So let's try that. Alright, we're making another guideline across. Coming along, wow! Now I'm going to close this and make it go up. Let's see. All my cameras are dying. Next, I'm gonna put a 2 guard on here and bring down some of this bulk. No! No! Big old bald spot. Oh my god. Damn, I thought it was going good, y'all.
That's right.
Is it that bad? You guys tell me, is it that bad? Damn.
That's right.
I don't want to put it all off though. It's not that bad. Oh man. Okay. I'll ask my daughter. Do you see a big space in the back of my head? Is it a big hole?
No, I don't know.
Does it look crazy? Do it look like a big space back there?
Oh, this space.
No, right here. Anything up there?
Sorta.
Well, is it bad?
No.
Okay, good. Okay, well I'm almost.
And like when people walk up to you, they don't even see because well, it's in the back of your head.
Well, if they're walking behind me, what do you think?
They wouldn't see because they never look back. Like if they're walking, like look towards me, and then be like, bye.
Thank you, Sophia. Okay, now I'm gonna go over the beard just a little bit. Got a little 1 guard on here. Might do a little branch. Let's see.
That's right.
Alright guys, and there we have it. That is my quarantine haircut tutorial. I still feel like I need to go over certain areas. There's certain areas where we can see a line probably. But other than that, I think I did okay for my first, probably need a towel or something to wipe off this hair. But yeah, for my first tutorial, hey, for my first haircut that I did myself, I don't know how the back looks, probably gotta fix that. But that's my tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe for more just interesting content. Maybe this lighting's better so you guys can see. Got some work to do, but not bad for the first time. Not bad for the first time.